തിരുവോണപ്പുലരിതൻ തിരുമുൽ കാഴ്ച വാങ്ങാൻ തിരുമുറ്റമണിഞ്ഞൊരുങ്ങി തിരുമേനി എഴുന്നള്ളും സമയമായി ഹൃദയങ്ങൾ അണിഞ്ഞൊരുങ്ങി ഹൃദയങ്ങൾ അണിഞ്ഞൊരുങ്ങി.
Air is filled with joy and zeal. It's colorful everywhere. Homes are adorned with colorful embellishments. But I hope that Onam is not just about that. Giving, sharing, loving and celebrating together. That's the essence of Onam. Hari Om. Onam is an annual harvest festival celebrated in Kerala. A major annual event for Keralites. It is the official festival of the state and includes a spectrum of cultural events. Onam brings together a multitude of colors and flavors from across God's own country. And the celebration reached their apex on the auspicious day of Thiruvonam. Onam is celebrated for 10 days during the Malayalam month of Chingam, which fills the heart of people with gaiety and brings them together to be part of this vibrant and cultural festival. The festival begins on the day known as Attam and ends on the 10th day known as Thiruvonam, also the most auspicious day during the festival of Onam. Thiruvonam is observed as Vamana Jayanti. Lord Vamana, one of the 10 avatars of Mahavishnu. Vamana was born to sage Kashyapa and his wife Aditi in the Tretra Yuga. Lord Vishnu took the avatara of Vamana to retrieve the Swargaloka or Devaloka from Bali, the grandson of the great Prahalada, and maintain a healthy balance. The 10-day festivities also see people participating in boat races called Vallangali, tiger dances called Pulikali, tug of war, Tumbidullal, mask dance or Kumatikali, Onathallu or martial arts, Onavillu, Onapottan costumes, folk songs, among other fun activities. The traditional Onasadhya is a 9-course meal that consists of 26 dishes. It includes sambar, kalan, olan, aviyal, kootukari, pachadi, rasam and the most loved dessert, payasam. Along with lessons of love, happiness and fraternity, Onam also reminds us to cultivate selfless devotion, a charitable nature, self-sacrifice, self-surrender and other such values. Just as plants and trees begin forth flowers from within, let us awaken the goodness inside of us. Let us maintain a space in our heart of others. Let us bow down to the divine presence that pervades the earth and the sky. Thus, let us together try to make every day an Onam day. Let all of us have the strength for that. May grace bless everyone. Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namah. Air is filled with joy and zeal. It's colorful everywhere. Homes are adorned with colorful embellishments. But I hope that Onam is not just about that. Giving, sharing, loving and celebrating together. That's the essence of Onam. Most respected Swamiji, Puja Swami Vivekananda Saraswati Ji, Brahmachari Akhilesh Chaitanya Ji, Director Sir, respected Principal Srimati K.D. Sangeeta Prabhakaran Ma'am, beloved Vice Principal Padmavati Ma'am, headmistresses, teaching and non-teaching staff members, parents and my dear students. Hari Om and cheerful noon to all. Onam is an annual harvest festival celebrated in Kerala, a major annual event of Keralites. It is the official festival of the state and includes a spectrum of cultural events. Onam brings together a multitude of colors and flavors from across God's own country, and celebrations reach their apex on the auspicious day of Thiruvonam, marking the end of monsoons and welcoming the harvest season. One of the biggest festivals of the state, Onam is celebrated for 10 days during the Malayalam month of Chingam, which fills the heart of people with gaiety and brings them together to be a part of this vibrant and cultural festival. The festival begins on the day known as Attam and ends on the 10th day known as Thiruvonam, also the most auspicious day during the festival of Onam. Onam festival is celebrated to honor the king-hearted and to
Okay, pardon, kind-hearted and much beloved demon King Mahabali, who is beloved to return to Kerala during this festival. Thiruvanam is also observed as Vamana Jayanti. According to Vaishnava mythology, King Mahabali defeated the gods and began ruling over all three worlds. King Mahabali was a demon king who belonged to the Asura tribe. The kind-hearted king was much loved by the people. The gods got insecure of King Mahabali's popularity and Lord Vishnu to step in and help conceal Mahabali. Vamana was born to sage Kashyapa and his wife Aditi in the Treta Yuga. Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Vamana to retrieve the Swargaloka or Devaloka from Mahabali and maintain a healthy balance. Lord Vishnu took on his fifth avatar in the form of Brahmin dwarf Vamana and paid a visit to King Mahabali. King Mahabali asked Vamana what he wished for, to which Vamana responded, 3 pieces of land. When Vamana was granted his wish, he grew in size and in his first and second phase, respectively, he covered the sky and then the netherworld. When Lord Vishnu was about to take his third phase, King Mahabali offered his head to the god. This act impressed Lord Vishnu so much that he granted Mahabali the right to visit the kingdom and people every year during Onam festivities. The 10-day festivities also see people participating in boat races called Valamkali, tiger races called Pulikali, Attikapad dances called Pulikali, worship the god or Onatappan, tug of war, Tumbitullal or women's dance ritual, mask dance or Kumatikali, Onathallu or martial arts, Onavillu, Onapottan costumes, folk songs, among other fun activities. The traditional Ona Sadhya is a 9-course meal that consists of 26 dishes. It includes sambar, kalan, olan, aviyal, kuttugari, pachadi, rasam, and the much loved dessert payasam. Along with lessons of love, happiness and fraternity, Onam also reminds us to cultivate selfless devotion, a charitable nature, self-sacrifice, self-surrender, and other such values. On account of this pandemic COVID-19, we are not able to gather together with our students physically, but we are doing it virtually so that let us students and the staff members enjoy with us. Let us start our program by invoking the blessings of Almighty by prayer. I invite Ms. Divya Mahesh ma'am for prayer. Divya ma'am, please.
या कुन्देतु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाढ्यापः निःशेषजाढ्यापः निःशेषजाढ्यापः.
His vivacious smile lightens the hearts of everyone. His conviction in knowledge and daringness to live it inspires all seekers to walk the path. A great missionary, a source of inspiration and motivation for all of us, our Pujya Swamiji, Swami Vivekananda Saraswati. I invite our most respected Swamiji for now a message. Swamiji, please.
Hari Om to everyone. And happy Onam to all of you. Now, you know, our master of the ceremony or miss of the ceremony, our Srimati S.P. Muralidharan, shared with you the conventional story behind Onam celebrations. But I have to tell you a different thing altogether. Okay? What she said, a part of it she said right, the other part, what is followed by some stupid boy in Kerala, idiotic boy because he perverted our culture. Depicting Maveli as a glorious person. Maveli was no doubt a good king, but the point is, Onam is to be celebrated as Vamana Jayanti only. It is not the homecoming or returning of Mahabali or Maveli. It should be the Vamana Jayanti full stop. And if the whole of Kerala or the Malayalis across the globe, if anybody is celebrating Onam as only the Maveli Mannan's day, they are wrong. They are simply blindly following this poet I referred to just now, who just blasted our culture, perverted it. You might ask, why do you say perversion? Because the story of Vamana and Mahabali, where does it occur? The origin. The origin is in the Srimad Bhagavatam. And in the Bhagavatam, it is never said, it is nowhere said that the Devas got jealous of Asuras and that Mahabali. Sorry. It is not said. You read Bhagavatam. It is not said. I told you, some stupid poet in Kerala, some decades back, he did it mistake, and it is time that he corrected it, lock, stock and barrel. And Chinmaya Mission is taking the initiative this year, a statewide campaign, not only statewide, wherever Keralites are there, Malayalis are there, it should get into their ears, get into their head, that Onam is Vamana Jayanti only. Okay? And the other things are added on to it. Vamana had to take avatar because the demon king, Mahabali, not Maveli, Mahabali, in fact, he was fully Bali. In the Bhagavata, he said Bali, not even Mahabali. And Bali became a very arrogant king. And he was Danashila, he was very charitable. And he was a good king. How that goodness came into him? Because of his legacy of having been the grandson of Prahlad, the great Bhakta of Mahavishnu. He was very powerful, he was very charity-minded, no doubt. He was a good king also, but this got into his head and he became very arrogant. And he was a devotee of Mahavishnu. And when Lord Vishnu came to know that this man is very arrogant, what God doesn't like in any one of us is our ego, our arrogance. And wherever the arrogance rises its hold, it has to be blasted. That is what Vamana did. For whom? For the good of Mahabali only. Great saints, sages, prophets and saviors, avatars, great men of our time, across anyone. They said elimination of the ego, the arrogance is the basic to our spiritual elevation. And in order to help the king, Bali, who was Vishnu's devotee only, Bhakta only, and he took avatar. And then he went as a Vatu. Vatu means a Brahmin boy. And he was received to do upachar, formalities. And what do you want? And the yaga was in progress, and that was 100th yaga which Bali was doing. And at that time, anybody who go asking for alms, charity, should be given. And Vamana said, I want some small piece of land. Oh, piece of land. And this resplendent, very bright, brilliant looking boy, small boy, seeing his tejas, and Bali was very impressed. He said, why small piece? I will give you a whole country. I will give you a big province. Ask for it. I will give you. No, I want only 3 feet. At that time, Shukracharya, the Asura Guru, he intervened. He said, hey Bali, be careful. This is none other than Vishnu. Then Bali said, see, I have already offered. I will not go back on my word. I have plighted my word. I will not go back. Okay, then you will ruin yourself. So be it. If it is not Vishnu, I am going to get moksha from this hand. So Bali took it in his stride, and he took it gracefully, and come on. At that time, suddenly what happened? The Vamana, the small dwarfish boy, he grew into Trivikrama. He filled the whole cosmos. And the first foot covered the entire prapancha, the cosmos. And where is the space? Where is the second foot place? Sky. Sky also covered. Third foot. Third foot where? The earth covered, the sky covered, whole prapancha, cosmos covered. Then Mahabali said, yes, my feet, my head, oh Lord, my head. Head is the place, no? He has great head weight, we say, no? Arrogance. Don't say arrogance, it's head weight. So that only Mahavishnu wanted. His arrogance should be put out. And Bali realized it. And you know, this Malayali poet, I get wild when I remember his name, I don't know who he is. And he said, this Vamana lowered, he put his foot on the head of Bali, and he was pushed down the earth. Nothing happened. It is not given in the Bhagavata. He blessed him. He said, do one thing, you go to Sutala. Sutala is another word which even gods want to go and stay there. It is a 7-star hotel like. When gods wanted to go, gods were never allowed. But Vamana said, you go there and take residence there. But if gods will come and attack, no, I will be your security man. I am not exaggerating. This is exactly said in the Bhagavatam. This is the fact. I will be guard for you. Okay. And how about the Onam? Onam is the Vamana Jayanti, as I said earlier. You know, how do we know? So before all these things happen, even when these things were happening, in homes, we used to do like this. This Kakarayapan. Kakarayapan means that is Mahavishnu's Vamana. Vamana Murti is represented by this clay-shaped, form. So, in our homes in Kerala, right from times immemorial, we used to celebrate Onam with the Trikakarayapan's Murti made like this with clay. And then we used to worship on Trikakara temple. that festival. And all Mahavishnu temples, festivals, Onam. And it is a celebration. Special pujas will be there. So what does it all speak? It speaks actually Vamana Jayanti is to be observed. And other things are all added on stories. And just to, as I said earlier, to pervert our culture. For such legends, when we go to the origin, which is the Purana, where the mention is made. So that is Bhagavata Purana. So in the Bhagavata Purana, it's very clearly mentioned all these things. And I tell you one more thing. And this incident took place not in Kerala, not in Travancore, not in Kochi, not in Malabar. It took place in Gujarat. On the banks of Narmada, because Yaga took place there. And other things is figment of imagination of that poet, whoever he. So when we celebrate Onam, it is very clear in our mind. It is not honoring Mahabali. It is honoring Vamana. It is the advent of Vamana. It is the Jayanti of Vamana. Let us be very, very clear about all our records. Otherwise, next year also this sort of story will be repeated. No, we don't want that. In fact, across the state, we are going to have a very strong campaign. The material has already come to my table. I have written to other Hindu organizations that we must observe Onam like this, like Ananda, Amritanandamayi Mutt, Ramakrishna Mission, the Sri Sri Division. All these organizations have written that this propaganda by some vested interests that should be busted, that should be destroyed, and the right perspective should be shown about Onam. That it is Vamana Jayanti and not Mahabali's arrival. Mahabali being a good king that he was, we can honor no problem. But then, now what happened? The story, originally the Vamana, the Vadu boy, he came with that umbrella, what you call that? Leaf umbrella, palm leaf umbrella, And then over the years what happened? Some people grabbed it from Vamana and gave it to Mahabali. And nowadays, Mahabali, in a very pot-bellied fellow, and this fellow in a very funny, stupid, humorous manner. Mahabali was, he was a very healthy man, like Ravana and Sri Rama. He was an Ajanu Bahu, very healthy, not pot-bellied, unhealthy looking with flabby muscles and all that. No, very strong man, very strong king. Asura king. He used to do daily workouts, exercise, and very strong muscles here. And now the Mahabali that you see in the pictures in the TV, a very unhealthy, pot-bellied fellow. That sort of figure, very, very ridiculous, upset. The idea should change. That's the point. Our Hindu mythology should be, the story should be shown in the right perspective. It's very, very important. Otherwise, we will all follow. Year after year, we will follow. So we are taking it up with all our Chinmaya Vidyalayas. It will take some time. At least in Chinmaya Vidyalaya, the schools like Bharati Vidya Bhavan and Sai schools, Amritanandamayi, all these places. We are going to have Chinmaya Mission taking the initiative to do a campaign to see that they change their idea. In fact, the Vice President of Amritanandamayi Mutt has written to me, Swamiji, this is a wonderful initiative. We must go ahead with it. This is the encouragement that we get from different organizations. People should be in the forefront to do it. And let us be the instruments. First of all, let us understand, let us get it in our heads that this is what Onam is. Okay, so let us celebrate, observe Onam as Vamana Jayanti and not the return of Mahabali, please. Some years back, there was this, what do you call that, boat race in Aranmula. So I was also invited as one of the guests, and our former Devaswam Board minister was there. Kadagambali. So Kadagambali was there and some others were VIP. So properly I said the same thing what I shared with you now. I said, let us be very clear, it is Vamana Jayanti. At that time there was some controversy going on. And the Manorama newspaper gave the news item in box. Onam is Vamana Jayanti only. Okay, so let us understand this in the right perspective. Although it is COVID times, but we must celebrate Onam in our own way. Okay, in our homes, it's a happy occasion because an avatar takes place. And avatar, you read about Krishna avatar or Rama avatar. Once the avatar takes place, the whole world, including the flora and fauna, everywhere, not only the human beings, the plant kingdom, the animal kingdom, everybody is thrilled. Everything is, the whole world stands thrilled that Bhagavan is taking birth. So Vamana avatar was such an occasion. So we must all be merrily, happily, in a celebration mode. We should observe Onam as Vamana Jayanti. I wish all of you a very, very happy Onam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Swamiji, for enriching us with the correct information. My dear students, Thiruvonam is observed only as Vamana Jayanti to honor the 5th avatar of Mahavishnu, Vamana, Lord Vamana. Now, let us enjoy some honor part. I request our school choir to come forward for honor part.
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട് തൃത്താപ്പൂന്നുള്ളി തന്നനം പാടി പൊന്നുലാലിലാടി എന്നലെ വാ ഒന്നരം കുഞ്ഞിറങ്ങി വാ ഓണപ്പൂവേ പൂവേ പൂവേ ഓമൽ പൂവേ 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 നീ തേടും മനോഹര തീരം ദൂരെ മാടി വിളിപ്പൂ ഇതാ 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 പൂവിളി പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോണത്തുമ്പി ഈ പൂവിളിയിൽ മോഹം പൊന്നിൻ മുത്തായി മാറ്റും പൂവയലിൽ നീ വരൂ ഭാഗം വാങ്ങാൻ പൂവിളി പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോണത്തുമ്പി ഓണപ്പുലരിതൻ തിരുമുൽ കാഴ്ച വാങ്ങാൻ തിരുമുറ്റമണിഞ്ഞൊരുങ്ങി എഴുന്നള്ളും സമയമായി ഹൃദയങ്ങൾ അണിഞ്ഞൊരുങ്ങി ഒരുങ്ങി ഹൃദയങ്ങൾ അണിഞ്ഞൊരുങ്ങി വെമ്പനാട്ട് കായലിന് ചാഞ്ചാട്ടം തങ്കമണി ചുണ്ടനിന്ന് മയിലാട്ടം കുഴലോതും കാറ്റേ കുഴപോരും കാറ്റേ കൂടെ വാ കൂടെ തുഴയാൻ വാ വെമ്പനാട്ടു കായലിന് ചാഞ്ചാട്ടം തങ്കമണി ചുണ്ടനിന്ന് ചുണ്ടനിന്ന് മയിലാട്ടം കുഴലൂതും കാറ്റേ കുഴപോലും കാറ്റേ കൂടെ വാ കൂടെ തുഴയാൻ വാ ഓദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തൈ ദിത്തൈ ദഗദൈ ദേദോ ഓദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തൈ ദിത്തൈ ദഗദൈ ദേദോ കുട്ടനാടൻ കുഞ്ചയിലെ കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം ഓദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തൈ ദിത്തൈ ദഗദൈ ദേദോ ഓദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തൈ ദിത്തൈ ദഗദൈ ദേദോ ഓദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തൈ ദിത്തൈ ദഗദൈ ദേദോ ഓദിത്തിത്താരാദിത്തിത്തൈ ദിത്തൈ ദഗദൈ ദേദോ.
വഴിയിൽ പഴയ മൊഴികളും ഇനി നിറയും വാതിൽ പടിയിൽ ഓർക്കാനൊരു പൂക്കളം ചൊടിയിലിനി എഴുതാം നാളേക്കൊരു പൂമരം തൊടിയിലിനി കരുതാം വളരാം പൊന്നോണമുറങ്ങിടും മണ്ണിൻ മടിയിൽ കനകപ്പൊൻതോടു കുരിയായി പ്രകൃതി വിടരുകയാ ഒളിമിന്നും മിഴികളിലാ അഴകിയൊരു മഷി തൂകിട ഓളമായി പൂപ്പാട്ടുകൾ പാടാം ഓർമ്മതൻ പൊന്നൂഞ്ചലാടാം നിനവും ഒരു പിടി മധുരവും പകരാം പൊന്നോണമൊരുങ്ങിടും മണ്ണിൻ മടിയിൽ പൂക്കാലമുറങ്ങിടും പൂപ്പുഞ്ചിരിയിൽ.
Thank you, Uday sir. Our feast was with only one payasam. Now it's like adding one more payasam for our honor Satya. Thank you. Now it's a group photo session with Apuja Swamiji. So, before we wind up our today's program, we have a small games arranged here. As the time is running, we have to wind it up with one game. We'll arrange a game which is called as passing the ball. Whoever interested to participate in this can come forward and occupy the area.
celebration of Onam and Vamana Jayanti. Onam is, as you all know, the harvest festival of Kerala and is also celebrated in the month of Chingam. Onam lasts for 10 days from Attam to Tiruvonam. It marks the end of monsoon and the beginning of the harvest season. So on Tiruvonam, we all wear traditional clothes, eat Onasadhya and also exchange Onakodi. Various programs such as Tiruvadirakali, Onakali and also boat races are also conducted in many parts of our state. Onam is celebrated to honor the birth and the victory of Lord Vishnu as Lord Vamana and also the coming back of King Bali back to earth. So while we Keralites celebrate Onam, Vamana Jayanti is celebrated in many parts of the country. It honors the occasion on which Lord Vishnu takes the form of Lord Vamana, which is the fifth avatar of Lord Vishnu, and also relinquishes King Bali. It is a very important and a very auspicious festival for all the Vishnu worshippers out there. So this year, because of COVID-19, we cannot celebrate Onam as festively as we usually do. So we can all just meet our friends and relatives online and celebrate Onam in a safe and precautious way. After all, health is wealth. So I end my speech by wishing you all a happy Onam and a happy Vamana Jayanti. Thank you and Hari Om.
കരയാകെ മഴവില്ലിന്നല പോലെ ഏഴേഴു വർണ്ണങ്ങൾ തൂകിയണിഞ്ഞേ മലയാളക്കരയാകെ മഴവില്ലിന്നല പോലെ ഏഴേഴു വർണ്ണങ്ങൾ തൂകിയണിഞ്ഞേ പൊന്നാര്യൻ കൊയ്തല്ലോ പൊന്നോണം വന്നല്ലോ പൂവേ പൊലി ആരവമായി മലയാളക്കരയാകെ മഴവില്ലിന്നല പോലെ ഏഴേഴു വർണ്ണങ്ങൾ തൂകിയണിഞ്ഞേ തെളിയും പൊന്നൊളിരാവിൽ നിറചന്ദനമൊഴുകുമ്പോൾ വെള്ളാമ്പൽ പൂ തേടിയതും അവനോടോരോ കഥകൾ ചൊല്ലിയതും മലയാളക്കരയാകെ മഴവില്ലിന്നല പോലെ ഏഴേഴു വർണ്ണങ്ങൾ തൂകിയണിഞ്ഞേ പൊന്നാര്യൻ കൊയ്തല്ലോ പൊന്നോണം വന്നല്ലോ പൂവേ പൊലി ആരവമായി മലയാളക്കരയാകെ മഴവില്ലിന്നല പോലെ ഏഴേഴു വർണ്ണങ്ങൾ തൂകിയണിഞ്ഞേ കരിവളകൾ ചിരിച്ചില്ലാട്ടമാടുമ്പോൾ അറിയാതെ തന്നൊരു മുത്തം കള്ളച്ചിരിയോടെ ഒറ്റ നടത്തം മലയാളക്കരയാകെ മഴവില്ലിന്നല പോലെ ഏഴേഴു വർണ്ണങ്ങൾ തൂകിയണിഞ്ഞേ പൊന്നാര്യൻ കൊയ്തൽ.
Let us bow down to the divine presence that pervades the earth and the sky. Thus, let us together try to make every day an Onam day. Let all of us have the strength for that. May grace bless everyone. Wish you all very happy Onam. Hari Om and thank you.
പൊന്നോണം വന്നല്ലോ പൂവേ പൊലി ആരവമായി മലയാളക്കരയാകെ